Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these functional equations for f of 3. When we have f of x plus f of 1 over 1 minus x equals 24x. So to find f of 3, we consider solution from here. So first thing we are going to note that the value of x here is a member of real number, and where x here is not equals to 0 and 1. So the first thing we are going to consider here is we start letting if our x here is equals 3. So that is the first thing we are going to consider. If x equals to 3, it means we are going to replace everywhere we see x with 3. Then we have, so the first one, which is f of 3 plus, we have f of 1 divided by 1 minus 3. This equals 24 multiplied by 3. So then consider this as f of 3 plus f of 1 divided by, so 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, equals, so 24 times 3, that gives us 72. Then we can write this as, if this is f of 3 plus f of, so we call this one minus 1 over 2 equals 72. Let's try and name this one equation 1. And again, from this equation 1, if I consider this as 2, let's say I let x equals minus 1 over 2. How did I know this? It's very simple. I got it from here. So this one now become our x. So let's try and replace x as minus 1 over 2, and we substitute into the original equations. So the original equation says f of x. So instead of x now, we are replacing x with minus 1 over 2. So then plus 1 divided by, which is f of 1 divided by 1 minus, open bracket, minus 1 over 2. So everything equals 24 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. Then we have f of minus 1 over 2 plus f of 1 divided by 1. So minus we multiply minus, and we get this as 1 plus 1 over 2 equals, so 2 will go in 24, that is in 12 times, and we have minus there, so which gives us minus 12. So having this, we have 1 plus 1 over 2, so this gives us 3 over 2, and the whole of this becomes f of minus 1 over 2 plus f of, so we call everything here f of 2 over 3 equals minus 12. And suppose I multiply this one out by minus. So if I multiply this by minus, I want to make this one become plus. So here is minus f of minus 1 over 2, and here is minus f of 2 over 3 equals 12. So I'm going to name this one equation 2. And also I'm going to form another equation from what we have here. So this one I keep going till I get f of 3, which I got from the beginning. So by changing x to 2 over 3, we call from the original equation. So if this is 3, at x equals 2 divided by 3, we are going to have f of 2 over 3 plus f of 1 divided by 1 minus 2 over 3 equals 24 multiplied by 2 over 3. Then, so we have this as f of 2 over 3 plus f of, so if we find LCM here, we have 3 times 2, 3 times 1, that is 3. Then 3 minus 1, we are going to have 1 over 3. Then 1 divided by 1 over 3, that gives us f of 3. So we have f of 3 equals, so 3 in 24, that gives us 8. And 8 times 2, that is 16. So we have another new equation here. So call this one equation 3. So there are 3 different equations now. So we are going to combine all the 3 equations together and see what will be the output. If these are all the 3 equations that we got, so let's try and add everything together. So if we add everything together, we are going to have, this is f of 3 plus f of 3. So that gives us 2f of 3. And again, we have minus f of 1 over 2 plus f of 1 over 2. This cancelled out. And again, f of 2 over 3 and f of minus 2 over 3, it also cancelled out. So therefore, we are going to have addition of 72 with 12 with 16. So here we have 2f of 3 equals 72 plus 12, that is 84. 84 plus 16. So here we have 2f of 3 equals 84 plus 16, that is 100. Then we are going to divide both sides by 2. If 2 cancels 2, as we have our f of 3 equals 50. So this is what we get for f of 3. It's just simple as that. So thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel, you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share, and drop another method of how we can solve this in the comment box. Never stop learning. See you in the next class. Bye bye.